Khumuka isihloko, khumuka umakarabha amathi acontsele etshebeni yilephu siyaqandula. Namhlanje enyangeni yomama inenkinga ey'mbili, inkinga yese-DUT, ingane ekusolakala angingathi ubonakala engathi iyayiphonsa. Sibe nenkinga futhi e-North West yesoka eligwaze i-ex, kusho njalo ex, i-girlfriend yalo yashona. So-ke abaningi bayabonile-ke ividiyo yensizwa kuthiwa ineminyaka ewu-26 engathi vele yaphosta ku-TikTok yase ixolisa-ke.
I'm sorry for what I did. It's just I cannot reverse what I did and I'm supposed to be raising my kids, I'm supposed to be loving my kids, I'm supposed to be the perfect father for my kids.
Aphinde wabonakala futhi nevidiyo kababa wentombazana nayo echaza ohlangothi lwakhe. La ngicela sifunde nayo i-article yamaphoyisa esuke kwilokhuza emaphoyisa, kuwebsite yamaphoyisa. The acting provincial commissioner of police in Northwest, Major General Patrick Asaneng, welcomes the swift response of Makapa State Police that led to the arrest of a murder and attempted murder suspect in the early hours of Friday morning, 22 August 2025, in Carousel View, near Maubani. The suspect allegedly murdered his ex-girlfriend, a 20-year-old Kgaugelo Marota, and attempted to kill his 20-year-old current girlfriend. Reports suggest that the lifeless body of Kgaugelo Marota was found lying on the ground with multiple stab wounds on Thursday, 21 August 2025, at a tavern in Maubani village. Marota was declared dead on the scene by Emergency and Medical Rescue Services, EMRS. Further investigations into the murder revealed that the suspect, after allegedly stabbing his ex-girlfriend, Marota, went back to his house where he stabbed his current girlfriend multiple times. The victim was taken to a local hospital where she is receiving medical treatment. Following the incident, the suspect posted the reasons behind his evil deeds on social media. The 26-year-old suspect is expected to appear before the Themba Magistrate Court on Monday, 25 August 2025, on charges of murder and attempted murder. Ijwalo hetaba, njalo indaba ebat bakithi.
Back 2 people.
Yes.
How?
His ex-girlfriend
And current girlfriend.
and current girlfriend. They are both 20 years old.
So when he's apologizing for who exactly? For the ex or both?
According to the video which you just saw, it is very short, so I couldn't even differentiate between.
Yeah, I can specify exactly who is apologizing.
But I suspect Uguti, maybe the ex. But I don't know who he has children with. I don't know between the two, or maybe
Yeah, because he's saying on the video he also has children. He's a father. So the apology nje is just so vague. It's so vague because he's not explaining exactly why did he do what he did.
Re kopa hore lona e ba tsebang ba haufinyane le Northwest mo Carousel, le tla kena comment section le tlhakisetse hore botse go diragala.
But you know, I mean, it doesn't really matter what happened, what caused him to do what he did. Like, there's no reason whatsoever. As also, there was this trend after this guy unalived his wife or wife to be or mother of his kids. I don't remember. He unalived her and he threw her in a river or something like that. And then there was a trend after So Guy explained here on that one, Guy explained why he did what he did. So he was kind of justifying it because this is why I did what I did. So there was then a trend of all the ladies who've been through a lot who were posting ukuthi, I did not decide to unalive him after he did 1, 2, and 3. And those stories were so hectic because it was stories whereby men are using them as a reason to harm women. Those same stories and even more stories are happening to women, and they don't harm their partners. Well, there are some who does it, but at the end of the day, guys, there's no reason for you to harm another person to that extent, to an extent whereby you unalive them. It may be because maybe he found out the kids are not his. That's not a reason. They cheated on you. That's not a reason. Like, there's no reason for you to unalive
There's no such.
another person, even if it's not a
There's
woman.
no such. Okubuhlungu kakhulu-ke njengale case le yenzeka kule nyanga le esithi inyanga okufanele ngabe inyanga esivikela kuyona abantu besimame.
No, but have you noticed ukuthi le nyanga vele nje in a way it attracts evilness?
Yeah. Lokho-ke if esiya kwisintu kukhona la kuvela khona ukuthi impela le nyanga esikuyona inyanga yey'nkinga. UJulayi kuthiwa i-Seth season ibizwa ngokuthi ngesiZulu umbhidlizi. So yila isuke khona kurilizeka konke nje okungalungile ngoba yila kuba khona ukugula, abantu bayagula, baphathwa imikhuhlane, zonke lezi zifo lezi. So bese kungena ku-Agasti-ke kuthiwa uma-art yila-ke izinto zisuke zizama khona ukushintsha, zizama ukubuyela khona kwi-order. Kushuthi-ke singasho sithi later mhlampe uma usuyophela u-Agasti. So kushuthi-ke iy'gameko ey'ningi zenzeka ngoJulayi no-Agasti. Bese kuqala uSepthemba-ke la kuqala khona-ke unyaka omusha-ke la sesimukela khona ilokhuza-ke ilanga eseliza i-Southern Hemisphere sesiqala khona-ke unyaka omusha wesintu. So yilo nto-ke esicabanga ukuthi-ke mhlampe kunakho ukuba related ngoba impela kujwayelekile ukuthi uma ku-Agasti kube khona ama-incidents amaningi angalungile, including nayo uJulayi. So asazi-ke kodwa-ke futhi le nyanga-ke yabekwa endaweni embi ukuthi inyanga yomama. Kuthiwa inyanga yomama ngenxa yesizathu sokuthi kwaba khona omama-ke 1956 abamasha baya e-Union Building
But then
belwela amalungelo.
I feel like vele kunabantu besilisa who are actually targeting this man to do evilness. Kunabantu, I think a few of them were arrested, but I think laba who were arrested were just, on laba bethunywa. The masterminds have not been caught.
Bathi mhlampe kusuke ikuphi inhloso mhlampe?
Inhloso yabo is they hate women. It's those guys abafike ku-social media, they approach you, bashele, they are very charming, they date you, they even take you out on a date. So I guess they target abantu single women, beautiful women. They call them slay queens. They believe that those women are slay queens according to what they see on social media. So whenever they are attacking them, usually almost all the women who survived, they come back and say, while they were attacking them, they would say such things as, yeah, it's when you are a slave queen, when you have money, when you like men who are rich. Iyabonakala ukuthi they have hate behind their criminality. It's not just that they are targeting them for money. I-target yabo is based on hating women. So vele nje lenyanga le they get kunale nto abayitholayo ebooster ama-egos abo when they do all these things kuyo le
Different
nyanga
things.
vele abantu besifazane more like sizonikhombiza we want to show you.
Kusho mhlampe kusokungeyona i-coincidence ye-release lama-spirits angalungile ngalesi sikhathi. Bese kuqondana vele-ke ngoba phela lento le into esuke iphuma kubantu vele empeleni, yabo. So ma ingqondo yomuntu ivele ingalungile inaleyo hate, mhlampe yila esuke ithola khona indawo kalula. Usuke lo muntu lo enento vele esuke vele enenkinga vele anayo, but ngalesi sikhathi ngoba kuqondana nayikhathi ama-spirit lawa e-release-eka, ila-ke kuvela khona-ke konke lokho. Ukucabangela kodwa asoze size sazi phakathi engqondweni zabantu kwenzakalani.
Hhayi le nyanga le it's bad. Kuningi nje okuvelayo kule nyanga le. Abanye basey'nganeni ba-abuse-a iy'ngane. Njengaloya last month nje lo owa-analyze ingane encane, a young child. It was at the beginning of this month or in July. Le owabulala ingane I think it was a coloured child, if I'm not mistaken. Kephi konje?
Angizwanga vele.
Yo yabulawa
Kodwa
ubaba wayo.
kodwa kuyaqondana ngalesi sikhathi. So masiya kule elokhuza yase-DUT. Lesi-DUT ke you could see on the video ukuthi indlela ayihenge ngayo. There was no way ukuthi angabuyela emuva because ngaso isikhathi i-weight yomuntu uma iwele esayidini esibona kahle ukuthi le side ngeke akwazi ukuthi mhlampe mayewa khona uzova. Yabo nje his body was hanging kule side leli impela elingena protection, yabo. So ubebambe facing lela side, izandla zingemuva kanje, esejombile sengale. Ukubuya kwakhe kufanele adedle isandla esisodwa abambe ngale kuyi-risk. Yinto ebengenzeka mhlawumbe ukuthi a-rescue-shwe abanye abantu. Instead-ke into esiyibonile-ke sibone amavidiyo-ke amantombazana-ke singazi-ke noma nabafana bekhona, kodwa ngizwe nje i-voice, ama-voices amantombazana la bebesho khona bethi hhayi uyadlala, something like that, bey'tshela ukuthi uyadlala. Kodwa if uwumuntu-ke obuka ngeso lokukhula uzobona ukuthi no, ngathi akhona ukudlala, yabo. Singazi-ke deep down kuyena ngoba phela kwenziwa nama-content kule nsuku. Ngeke uze wazi umuntu ufuna ukwenza into extreme ekugcineni uthole ukuthi ugaxela esephakathi kuyona, uthole ukuthi hayi bo, there's no going back manje. Uthole ukuthi seku-late naye ukuthi angathi hell, izandla sey'khathele mhlambe, we don't know ngoba phela umzimba uyasinda. So asazi-ke leya nto uyabona ukuthi isenzo esidinga ukuthi iy'ngane ekugcineni lezi ngane ekade zikhona eziyibone leya nto noma iy'ngane zesikole sonke nje kugcina sey'dinga lento ekuthiwa i-counselling ngesikhathi sanamhlanje ngoba phela ngeze ingane zibe right emqondweni ileya nto, zizo-affect-eka especially iy'ngane ebezi-close nayo leya ngane. So kunzima kona, ukuba umzali kunzima ngempela. I don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani, but-ke asikhuthaze-ke izenzo ey'fana nalezi, especially salo mfana lo ona-26 years wase-North West, okuthiwa ngiyezwa kuthiwa futhi khona nokuthiwa ubesho ukuthi uzosondela ngathi kukhona kunesibhamu esiphethe futhi, but-ke asazi ama-allegations lawo singenayo i-show yawo ukuthi impela bokunjalo yini. So okungixakayo-ke yilo ukuthi asuke kwi-scene ebese ephinda futhi ahambe aye le endlini, aphinde ayogwaza futhi intombi yakhe futhi. So uyambona lo muntu ukuthi khona le nkinga ebenayo yena ngaphakathi kuyena, khona idimoni ebenalo. Asisho ukuthi into ayenzile fana jazz.
It's funny how leli demon will always direct them to women. Why lingabadirecti kubantu besilisa? Khona enye ividiyo engike ngayibona, it was a joke, ethi omunye ushaya unkosikazi, it's because of alcohol. And the other guy was like, no, if it's because of alcohol, awuqale ejoyintini ushaye thina kuqala before ufike ekhaya, so that sizobona ukuthi no, it's alcohol ngempela. Why is it that this demon only leads to men attacking women? Why ninga-attack-ani as men? leli demon lidila nje nokuthi attack abantu besifazane.
No,
Kakhulukazi abantu besifazane who you know they would not be able to defend themselves.
no. Ngithanda ukuphikisana nawe-ke lapho. Mawuthi why leli demon lingavuki le madodeni. Amadoda asezebulalana every day. Amadoda adubulana every day, amadoda agwazana every day. Ukuthi phela-ke mayinjena angithi uyabona le ndaba le ngoba umfana ibulele intombazana ithole i-attention ngoba umfana ibulele intombazana. Men are killing men every day. Abantu bayabulalana zethu, hayi indaba yokudlala. Umuntu wafika abantu bemile kanje afake isibhamu. Ngeke uyithole indaba. Kodwa impilo esiyiphila every day. Wena-ke njengoba sila eThekwini-ke yithina esiyazi kahle isibhamu nje la eThekwini kubokwazi. So usaba ngisho ukuphambana nomuntu nje kancane ukuthi nixabane ngoba manje uyazi ukuthi uyosuka lo. Most of the times uma umuntu wesilisa ebanjwe inkunzi uyabulawa, umuntu uyakwazi lokho. Amantombazane most of the time mayebanjwe inkunzi awabulawa, kuyinto phela kanjalo. Indoda mayebanjwe inkunzi isikhathi esiningi iyafa, into esijwayele leyo. So ngeke sithi-ke leli demon why liba isebantwini besifazane ngoba le story lesi i-story se-relationship sokuthandana kwabantu. Either omunye akafuni ukwaliwa noma kwenzakalani. Amadoda phela angeke ngize ngithi awathandana kodwa asekhona lawo athandana wodwa. So lawo-ke ahlangana-ke ingxabano-ke ayaxabana bese ayantshontshana adubulane abulalane. Kuze egcine usuyozwa lilanga ukuba kuba intombazane. Iwona ukuthi phela awuyitholi i-attention ngoba manje yinto ehlezi yenzeka. Into ethola i-attention into eyenzeka gqwa. Into efanele uyazi. Each and every day if you can read a newspaper ungene kuma-website ey'ndaba uyothola ukuthi there's a murder lapha. Kodwa le angena endlini afica insizwa ihlezi ehostela yafaka isibhamu. Uyabulala 7. Iyake uzuyithole kodwa leyo nto kuma-headlines. Uyithola nje kuba into edlulayo. Yabo. Izinto esizaziyo-ke thina ezenzayo. Ilona-ke idemon le. Hhayi kumele kwenziweni makunje. Mkhuleko.
Ngabe ngithi asikeni ukujola manje bafethu ngisho ungayeka ukujola bazozi-attack-a la bantu. Mina I remember ukuthi I was once attacked by a guy owayefuna ukushela. Yazi leya trauma ngeke ngiphinde ngiyikhohlwe, angiyikhohlwa namanje. I would never ever forget the trauma engafakwa yiyona loya mfana loyana, and I always wonder till today ukuthi angabe usaphila yini. If ephila ukephi nempilo. It's a pity ukuthi angiboni ukuthi ngisangamkhomba ngisho endleleni. Ngisho ngathiwa awujoli, you will still not be safe because there are some guys who do not like to be rejected. A rejection to them, I don't know what it is. They feel like they need to retaliate by hurting you or by harming you if you reject them. So at the end of the day, you end up laughing on matters that you're not supposed to laugh. You end up having to entertain a guy who's approaching you because now you are scared. A lot of ladies, even in my social media, they tell their stories. There was this guy who approached me and ngam decline, ngam reject. Imagine uzoshaya umuntu ngempama just because you are rejecting them. So you are not safe. Whether uyajola noma awujoli, the fact that you are a woman who's existing, you are in danger. By just existing in this earth, you are in danger.
Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama to minimize kodwa manje ngeke sisho phela it's like sikhuthaza abantu abenze ububi ukuthi baqhubeke benze ukuthi ku-right. Mangithi to minimize ukuzula manje akekho umuntu ufanele abe free. Ngase freedom.
Baningi abantu besifazane abathekwe emakhaya.
Yeah.
They even come to your home. Umuntu afika ashase ngathi bezogqekeza ezothatha i-TV nani but no kahle kahle bengazi ukuzothatha lezi zinto lezo. Vele bezokwenza ezokuhamba.
Mina-ke ngithi ukupreventa yonke lento lena yani ukubuya kwesigwebo sentambo.
Ukubuya kwesigwebo sentambo, and as women we need to protect ourselves. We need to stop relying on men in terms of protection. I know ukuthi by nature, by God, vele was-create kanjalo ukuthi men are supposed to be our protectors. But here we are right now, they are no longer our protectors. They are actually harming us. So it's high time now we protect ourselves. It's high time that men actually get scared. Whenever they think of harming a woman, ake basabe kufika uvalo uzothi heqe kubona ukuthi hey abantu besifazane abasadlali manje. let us protect ourselves. Whether we go for training of any sort of defense, let's go to those trainings. Let's carry, asicarryeni manje nathi, asicarryeni anything that should protect us. It's a pity because we are very impulsive.
Yile Pathanland.
Hayi sesile kude lento le.
Pathanland.
Unfortunately si-impulsive thina.
Yeah,
So if usikhera ama-pews
hayi
wakhohlela nje
hayi
ngeza ama-footstep nje emva kwami ziyaqala
hayi
wangibuka eye contact
sajongana
sajongana wangijonga amehla adibana ekhala
no ayibhokhwe xa nijongana nebhokhwe ke maboy
nami yangijonga
sajongana
finish nje asivesana nje sisiprotecteni thina ukuze ngempela umuntu wesilisa meqanga uku-attack ezofikelwa uvalo ukuthi we laba sebenje there are women already abakherayo. It's just that thina sibuyisiwe into eyiyona-ke asikwazi ukukhera sifihle siyaxoxa kuma-social media siyaxoxa.
Uma-ke sicabanga-ke yini uhulumeni noma-ke umphakathi okumele uzenze ukuvikela noma ukuminimayiza lezi zinto?
Isona isigwebo sentambo but ngempela isigwebo sentambo masibuya kuyomele ngempela sibe na-deep investigation. Le nto eyenzeka njengamanje there's no investigation in South Africa, none, zero, zilch. Manje in South Africa if ngihamba mina ngiyothi wena ungilephile akukho lutho abalenza bakho.
No, uyazi lento injani? Ukubuya kwesigwebo sentambo phela sizoshaya both ways kanje. If u-unalive omunye umuntu nawe intambo ikulindile, okay, bakhona abazoqambela abanye amanga uthola ukuthi ekugcineni kutholakala ukuthi kwenzeka iphutha, but mase kwenzekile ngeke simbuyisele umuntu, kodwa loyo ozoqamba amanga mase kutholakala ukuthi uqamba amanga naye
ashone.
yes, mawubulalisa umuntu nawe uyabulala. So lapho kunciphiswa ukuthi ukuncipha kwabantu abaqamba amanga, ukuncipha kwabantu abenza ubugebengu.
Kwazi ukuthi mawuqamba amanga ayogcina etholalile lawo manga and nawe uzogcina
kuthiwa yini ingalo yomthetho. So umuntu uzothi noma ecabanga uqamba amanga acabanga ukuthi yo noma ngoba phela isikhathi esiningi manje umama uyakwazi ukutshela ingane yakhe ukuthi thana ubaba othize uvulukubezi uyabo. So uzocabanga lo mama ukuthi we what if ngempela kuyatholakala ukuthi lonto ayikho, yimini engizongena kuleya ntanga yabo. So into enjalo-ke ezosiza ngoba manje abantu abanalo uvalo, it's easy ukuthi benze izinto nje baqambele umuntu amanga ngoba uyazi ukuthi so kufuneka leyanto sibuyisele leyanto nemeza. Ngeke kuze kube mnandi-ke sidlo cheese namaswidi kuzibuye, kufanele uqine isandla
ngoba phela bayajabula bathi kumnandi jele ukudla kwamahhala rent free bathi kumnandi. So at least mangabuya isigwebo sentambo-ke ifear, because into ebalulekile la is to instill the fear
yes
to people.
Kuyangijabulisa-ke ngoba masilandela amazwe anaso isigwebo sentambo, lawo mazwe masithola izinga le-crime kulawo mazwe lincane kakhulu. Senze example nje iBotswana nje kulula nje ukubheka uzothola ukuthi laphana kunzima kabi ubugebengu nje into engenzeki kalula yabo, kulula. Ngisanda uzwa-ke izwe efana eBurkina Faso njengathi nalo-ke lizama ukubuyisa yona intambo. So siyathemba ukuthi into-ke izokwanda emazweni ase-Afrika ukuze sinciphise ubugebengu.
Basibuyise.
Hayi sungavala ma. Danke, siyabonga. Estella, feel free to like and subscribe. Sibonge if you've watched to this far. Izandla ezivile ikhanda. Sibonga kakhulu impela contribution yenu. Sibonge kuma-subscribers ngokuthi sifike la sikhona futhi kutshengisa ukukhula ngesivinini esiyisimanga. Sicele nakulabo Nkosi yami abakhohlwayo, kuyakhohlwa phela ukulike, umuntu angakhohlwa ukulike nokusubscribe ukuze sikwazi ukukhula i-channel yethu. Danke, siyabonga. Nina Bembu.